All right. All right. All right. Okay, so we'll check the higher time frame here. We are at all-time highs still. We are at all-time highs still. Go ahead and post on the trading Instagram. I mean, not that I'm really using it anymore. What's up, Jay? Gotta get the link to the stream here. All right. What's up, Snorlax? All right. So we're at all-time highs. How am I doing? I'm doing good, bro. So, all right. Mm, I'm good. Waiting. All right. Just making sure all my stuff is set up. All right, we're chilling. So if we inverse this 15-minute, I'll have a really, really strong bias to at least this internal here. Price did not do much overnight, which is really, really good. Whenever we have like a big move overnight, it kind of just means morning, like AM is gonna suck. But we had like no move overnight. Halo, how's it been? It's been good, bro. What are like these things that it's putting on top of it? What does that do? Oh, it's like a. What is that, dude? That's weird. So, um, only looking for longs with all-time highs, and I'm definitely bullish. Let me close the stuff from yesterday. Back to here could be good. I mean, inverse of this 15-minute would be bullish, but I wouldn't want to long so far up in premium. So sweep of like, where's the hourly sell side? This big sell side could be good. But based on this 15-minute, I do not think we're going to come down to it. For sure, I would love to see some manipulation at open and beautiful for longs and respect the 1 hour so much. Yeah, that would be good. I don't really want us to inverse this right now, but it looks like we're going to. I'm gonna go grab I'm gonna go grab some food. I mean, there's nothing really right now in the lowered time frame. I hope this doesn't inverse. How long do we have? We have 7 minutes. Hope this like is in, or I hope we kind of just soup this high and come down and get a long down here. Like hit this high and then come down. I hope we sweep this and don't like go all the way up. But unfortunately, there's not like an hourly gap or anything or a good 15-minute here holding us down. And we got London high. Yeah, that is London high. What's up, Thomas? Seek and destroy day, maybe. What's it? Oh wait, my camera's not on. Let me turn my camera on. You know what? Stream always looks better whenever I have camera on. So real quick with the camera, do you guys want it on this side or this side? I feel like on the right's better, but someone was telling me that it's better this way because they can see like the time frame over the time of the chart right here. Maybe up here. But I feel like this would be in the way of the TP if I put it there. I feel like this bottom right corner is the best, to be honest. What do you guys think? Right down. What's up, Snoop? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's where I like to put it. Okay. All right. I'm going to grab a... All right, I threw it in the microwave. I gotta wait for it to be done. What the hell? Go to my homepage. FNAF fanboy, can I turn on my mic? All right, I turned on my mic. Let me see. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, that was pretty quiet. This is it should be good. A great chaos is fire. Thanks, bro. What's an FNA? Who's an FNAF fanboy? Oh, you're talking about all the things on my homepage? Bro, I feel like everybody has them all, bro. I don't think that was anything crazy. I don't have the $30 one. That one looked really fun. Yeah, I don't play OSU that much anymore though. I used to play it more in like middle school. It is a good game. Okay, so if we get this 15-minute inverse here, I'll be very bullish. Not that we weren't bullish before because we're at all-time highs. Not that I'm bullish, but like I'm only longing because we're at all-time highs. But this will make us like really bullish here. But I don't really want to take one. Like take a long up here. I would rather us come sweep this sell side, but we'll just have to see what we get, to be honest. We could get a inverse on this 15-minute to get this buy side manipulate down and then get along. The 15-minute does inverse. You look for lower time frame entry, right? Yeah, Thomas. Look for a lower time frame entry.
But you ain't got a fucking attitude.
Bro. Do you stream every day on NYSE? What's NYSE? A New York session? I'm assuming that means New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, New York Stock Exchange. I'm doing NQ futures, but I do stream every day. Or now I'm starting to do it every day again on YouTube here. Yeah, I started about 9. Today we don't really have anything right now. Like volume overnight was really, really low, which is good. Overnight moves are not good. Dude, we literally moved nowhere overnight. Let's go. I mean, do you stream every day though? Yeah. Only on weekdays though, when the stock market's open. For futures. We don't stream it on weekends. But yeah, every day. Which trading view plan do you have, bro? I bought the premium a few days ago to use the 30-second. I have premium. I have no reason to pay for any more. Yo, Thomas, do you um do you buy the like live data or does it come with your do I don't know if I need to be paying for the live data. Oh, you do? So it's $70 total, right, Thomas? 74. Mine's 69. They might have put the price up since I got it. You give level 1 data for free. I know, but I'm talking about Trading View, Snoop, though. I don't know if they give Trading View the Trading View data because Trading View is 10 minutes behind. Trading 8 comes with it. Yeah, the 15-minute inverse. I gotta turn off my alarms. I set it for every 15 minutes because I don't wake up on time. On Trading View, damn. For future see me have to pay 7 USD more. Yeah. Yeah, this is inverse now. Could look for a pullback to here. We could draw it here. And this would be the lag. We could look for a good pullback setup here. We have this 5-minute gap. Okay. If we don't respect this inverse, I would actually like that. So we could get a pullback to the sell side. Yo, the 1 hour is holding. The 15-minute inverse. The 1 hour is holding though. Hopefully. Seems like it. If we respect this 15 or this hourly, that would be really good, dude. I would really like that actually. Seems like we're kind of dumping through this 5-minute. If we close below this 5-minute, then I'll be not as bullish as I was before. I would just have to see the close on this though. Turn my mic up. It should be good. I already turned it up a little bit. Or I turned it up a lot. It's at the max. I could turn this up. I mean, but then I feel like it's just gonna be way too loud. Let me know. Is this better, Jay? It's free because you have an account. What do you mean? It says free with him with my funded features on TradingView. I don't know if he pays for the. Oh, my food should be done. An SMT. All right, give me a second. An SMT is like, you see, we have these lows. We have this low here on NQ and ES. See how it's the same low on both of them. If NQ were to come down like this and take it out and ES didn't, then it would be an SMT like that. Like with the lows. But it only really matters on the extremity of ranges. I had to pay to start back testing. Bearish and wait. A bearish SMT is when one takes the top and the other one doesn't. Oh. Oh, you mean the bearish? Oh, bearish SMT. Yeah. The bearish SMT is probably the reason that we're going down here. And the hourly gap is there. No, you're good. You're good. Sorry, I didn't know what you mean. Sorry. Could be good here. Let me go grab my food real quick. It just finishes my break. I mean, I finished a little bit ago, but I didn't get it. You got lasagna. Or not lasagna. I'm retarded. Okay, we did close below 5 minutes. That's good. What's up, Martin? To put the plans, I can't back test on the 1 minute, so I paid the premium. It's lasagna. No, bro. Why do I keep saying lasagna? It's spaghetti. Bro. I need Parmesan cheese. Yeah, we closed below the 5 minute. Um, Definitely hoping we go down here so we could get this sweep and delivery of the hourly. Yeah, FX replay can be good. I just didn't like it when I. I don't like it that much so personally, but it's decent. Yeah, it is decent. Yeah, but this volume sucks right now, dude. I'm not really doing anything, so are we just gonna wait for a market open? In the 15-minute at 1900. I don't know. We just been chopping around at it. If we go close below it, definitely not. Right now, Snoop, I'm kind of just waiting for we just marked it up on. Which account is this? Okay. This one I gotta trade. Bro, what is this chop, dude? Close above this 5-minute. Yeah. Might have an AMD here with market open. Judas swing setup. All right, I just finished my food. For the emotes, yeah. Finish my food before market open. I'm gonna put this back, and then we're gonna log in, guys. All right, we're chilling. We're chilling, bro. What is going on with this pre-market, bro? But you would have been cooked taking a bunch of these random inverses, bro. Hey, bro, imagine you took this one, saying it delivered off the gap. Dude, you'd have been cooked. Bro, imagine taking this one. You'd have been cooked. Bro, look, now we're going to inverse back to the downside. So, we got momentum up. Clear and not clear at the same time. Love that. Yeah, dude. I was just to wait for market open. Okay, so we just ran this. So the 15-minute did its job, inversing the 15-minute. Now I'm kind of hoping we don't pump up here. I'm kind of hoping maybe this gap holds. And what the? Yo. But if you took that 5-minute short, you're cooked. If you took the 5-minute short, you're cooked. Yo, if you took the 5-minute, you're cooked. Bro. Let me check financial juice, bro. Because what the hell? And the 5-minute didn't even get its entry. The 3-minute one was invalid as well. Took the internal. Yo, if we have a Newsweek. Yo, wait. There might have been an announcement, dude. I'm trying to check financial juice, but I don't pay for it, so I don't have live. Yo. What the hell, dude? Yo, please tell me this is a data high. Yo, please tell me this is a data high. I really want financial juice to hurry up and update because I don't pay for live information. Yo, please. Please update it. Bro. Yo. Let's trade clueless. Yeah. What the hell happened, bro? They probably announced something. Like Trump probably posted on Truth Social or Twitter or something. I'm waiting for financial juice to update, dude. I'm waiting for the for financial juice to update. Trump said I'm pooping and this happened. Bruh. Bro, why is okay, market just opened. Come on. I guess 928 wick counts as news. Not yet. I'm trying to see if financial juice says that somebody announced something. Cause in live time seeing that, there's no way somebody didn't just announce something. But the problem is I don't have 9:30. No, nobody announced anything, dude. That's not a news week, bro. What? That's insane. So we inverse this 1 minute down, but we just this internal. Elon bought some stocks, bro. Maybe. See the 15-minute or 15-second. I'm not gonna take this. It would have to be V shape, but and we're really high in premium right now. What's the news website you were checking? Financial Juice. So Forex Factory tells you everything that we're gonna have that day, but Financial Juice gives you like live updates, like if they post something or. But there's nothing today. Like, see, it says Fed Waller said something. So far, the president's not been in touch. Like, it tells you everything, but there's nothing on here that they said at 9:20 or 9:20, 9:28. It's always that 9:30 candle. It wasn't though. That was 9:28, dude. That was 9:28. And look, it was like so fast, bro. Get the 30-second. The wicks even there on the 30-second. A new 15-second entry here. Imagine the guy that shorted that 5 minute. Yeah, bro, he's cooked. And that would have been break even for that 15-second. Both of them would have been break even. So it always been between 9:25 and 9:35. What do you mean? What are you talking about? If you saw the way that wick came out, Thomas, I don't know if you were paying attention, but the way that wick came out, that is not the normal 9:25 candle. 9:25 candle adds like volume. It always adds volume, but like that. Like, see, 9:25. This is the type of volume 9:25 adds. See how small these candles are, and then the 9:25 candle was that big. 10 points versus how big was this one? 2 points. So it's 10 points versus 2 points. Not a 21 point wick. Um, yeah, yeah, not like that, dude. That's why I feel like someone had to have announced something, but there's nothing on here, dude. US 100 gapped up hard as well. I don't really use US 100, but I'll look at it. Oh yeah, I see the gaps. There's two gaps there on the 5 minute. Yeah. Okay. I like this, bro. We're coming back. Anyone got these longs? TF. Are you trying to send an emoji, bro? It's just sending TF with the colons on the side. You have an emote? It's just not sending, bro. I don't see it anyways. It might just be like an iPhone or like a custom one. I mean, iPhones allow you to make AI ones. I don't know. I can't see it. All right. If we close below this, because this is a protected low here, it's a low that took out this low inside of a gap. If we close below this, then I'll be pretty confident in us going down and taking out the sell side here. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. Go to market structure shift at this low. On the bro, the wick on the 1 hour, bro. Yeah, bro. I slipped in the shower yesterday, or not yesterday, the day before yesterday, and like cut my whole foot open. So now I have like a thing on my foot, and it hurts to walk. Yeah, I'm good. Sweep all time highs and come back to the 4 hour gap. Good. External to internal. We already swept it, but yeah, I would want us to take out this. Come back to the 4 hour gap. Where's the 4 hour? 4 hours a little bit lower. I was looking for more of this 1 hour delivery with the sell side sweep, but the sell side is right at the 4 hour, so yeah, it'd be the same thing. I was just drawing out this hourly. And put in this 30-second gap here. Close below it, that would make me bearish. Because we did close below the 1 minute, which is what I wanted. We just put in a new gap. But I like this market structure shift. I would want to see another break of structure here, and that should be really good. But again, I'm just kind of like commentating over this. I'm not taking any trades right here. And I think we left equal lows there. No, we did not. Relative equal lows here. I mean, pretty much perfect equal lows. They're off by a tick. Don't even want to long with these below. Okay. I really like whenever sell side is right above a higher time frame gap. It holds much more potential to a trade. Not taking any trades here or today at all. I would prefer us we come down and suit this though. Unfilled highs and lows near wait plus unfilled plus highs and lows near unfilled. Your source not like it works wonders. Wait. Probably the one thing that made me profitable. What are you talking about though? Wait. I really like whenever sell side is right above a high. Bro, what? Right above a higher time frame gap. Much more potential to the trade. Yeah, you'll get delivery and I mean it would be the same with the 4 hour, dude. The 4 hours right here. The 4 hour gap's right there. Or if we sweep the sell side and come and tap this 15 minute. Trying the 1 second candle. Exactly where liquidity is the same as the iFVG starting point. Take them shorts. Or not. I like the way inverse this. We just have to close below this again as well. Come on. Bro, come on, dude. There's an iFVG on the 1 second type shit, bro. Oh, oh. Guys, get ready for the short. Guys, get ready for the short. Oh, shit. Come on. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It didn't close above. Didn't close above. That was the open. It opened above. It did not close above. Guys, we're still in this. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We're getting destroyed. Oh, shit. Just close below the 30 second. Now we're just pumping up, bro. What? Imagine a 100 point dump on the 1 second. Hop on the one tick chart, gang. What does that even do? Oh, I have to pay for the expert plan for that. Range? What does the ranges do? What the bro? Update your chart every 1 tick. Bro, how do you even like trade with that? What the Renko candle is the move? Bro, I don't know, bro. How are we supposed to trade this, bro? Bro, what is Instagram, bro? MNQ1 is the same as NQ? No. You don't want to trade. You only enter on MNQ. Yeah, you chart on NQ though. 2 minute iFVG maybe. This tiny one, no. Unless you have the money to enter on NQ. Other than that, you're gonna enter on MNQ because micros risk a lot less. Bro, yeah, it risks a lot less. So if you have enough money to use NQ, then do it. But if you don't, enter on micros, which is MNQ, and just chart on NQ. You don't ever want to chart on MNQ though. All right. Kind of hoping this 1 minute long fails here. It's harder to manage on NQ. I wouldn't say it's harder to manage on NQ. I'd say it's easier. So you have to go back and forth. Um, when you can like enter 3 cons and it's 30 cons on MNQ. Yeah, it is 30 cons on MNQ. Take private trader gives you 5 minis, like the 50K. Yeah. Yeah, but that's all, what I'm saying, Snorlax. Um, if you're risking more, well, I would say it's easier to manage because you don't have to look at both charts. But if you're entering on NQ and charting on it, it's very easy. But if you have to go back and forth, it's a lot harder. But if you're risking more, then it's easier to manage. So like whenever we have low volume, if like let's say it's a pre-market, that's why that reaction happened. Let me check financial juice. I don't see anything, dude. Are you sure? Where'd you see it? It's on the BBC. This PA right now is so trash, bro. At this point, we just sit here and wait. Ooh. Okay. Still want us to come down, bro. Kind of wanted to keep coming down, dude. Take out all this. It's kind of like an LRLR here, to be honest, that we were forming. You guys see this? Yeah, it's not like good, but it's just, you see this kind of like LRLR. It's a bunch of stacked lows here. It's not like perfect LRLR, like straight like this, but we have a bunch of stacked lows here. Maybe 10 a.m. will give some moves. Yeah, I'm kind of hoping. I mean, we are in the macro now, so it would make sense to run all this at least to here. But personally, I would want us to dump all the way down to here and like 10:05 get a move up. Because your account was accessed from another browser or device. But yeah, maybe the macro with the 10 a.m. reversal could give us a good long here. We just need to see a little bit more of a pullback. All right, we're still coming down a little bit. Sorry for being quiet right now. I mean, we don't really have too much to talk about right now. I'm kind of just waiting here. I'll check out the thing and see if it was from Donald Trump. I want to see what that last candle was because that was a really big candle. I mean, it could have just been momentum. It didn't have as much of a wick on the 1 minute. That one had a big wick. What happened on the BBC with Trump 2 hours ago? That was 2 hours ago. I don't know. I don't see anything, dude. I only see low and medium. Yeah. Oh, you're talking about news? Financial Juice says it's a red folder. You probably used to be red folder on Forex Factory, and they changed it. But I was talking about 10 a.m. reversal for 10 a.m. giving us a move. We're almost at the bottom of the all those stacked lows. Oh, come on, bro. Yesterday was so good, bro. I should have been on YouTube for yesterday, to be honest. Mm. So much sell side liquidity, yeah, bro. It just needs to get taken out, dude. No way, bro. I feel like it's trying so hard. Ten a.m. We believe in you, yeah, bro. We got 25 seconds. All right, we got 5 seconds. Let's see. Okay, bro. Bro, please leave high. Please leave high. We need to come down here first. Please leave high. Please leave that wick, bro. We need to come down here first. Please leave the high. We need to come down here first. Please, bro. Please. Are those equal highs too? No, they're not. They look like it, dude. Bro, is that not equal highs? Bro, whoa, 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 whoa. These gotta be, yeah, they're equal highs. Okay. Please run these lows, bro. Snoop, I know you're saying it says medium, but Financial Juice says it's red, dude. I've been using Financial Juice more than Forex Factory recently. The reason Financial Juice still has it as red is because, yeah, because Snoop, the reason Financial Juice has it as red is because it used to be considered red folder. Forex Factory recently changed it to orange, or at some point changed it, but at one point it was red. So it's kind of like back and forth. ES made it down at low. But yeah, I did say if we got a 10 a.m. news, come please at least sweep to the 1 hour gap. Yeah, dude. I made a post, or I didn't make a post, but yesterday on TikTok Live, I was saying, um, if we get a 10 a.m. data wake setup, I'll make a live execution video out of it. So if we get a trade today to this data high, then I'll make a live execution video. Just leave, bro. Prom, bro. I'm just hoping we leave these data highs, bro. All right. Please, 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 dude. Please, please. Sweep the low, man. Don't leave relative equal lows, bro. Finally. Oh my gosh. My gosh, dude. Now come down and sweep everything. Come down and sweep everything. We have this gap. Come on, bro. Come on. Come on. Take us outside. Please take us outside. We have a data low, I forgot. On ES. Okay, there's a 1 minute we could leave here. Please just. Oh, bro, please take out this outside, bro. So close, so satisfying. Yeah, bro. It'll be satisfying if we finally hit this one with the gap. Yo, what? Yo, how much is this, bro? How much is a vacation in Bali? Yo, where is Bali, bro? Or is it Bali? Where's Bali, bro? On the map. Oh, what the hell, dude? That's actually so far. Never mind. That's in Indonesia, dude. Yeah, that's really far. Holy crap. Yeah, but yeah, Crom, but the flight is probably going to be the expensive part because I live in the U.S. Yeah, where is the volatility? You're right. Am I bullish or bearish right now? I'm bullish because we have dead eyes, but I want us to take out this low first. Yeah, probably cheap, bro. A lot of those countries are like really cheap, but I feel like the flight to Bali from America is gonna be like friggin' expensive, dude. Oh, it's gonna be in the thousands, yeah. Cheapest flight is 1,200, dude. And it's gonna take over a day to get there. A day and 9 hours plus. Yo, I'm not doing that. Thailand's cheap, but yeah, there's a lot of ladyboys there. Thomas Amigo, you mess with the ladyboys? I want to go to Thailand though. Thailand would be cool. Yeah, bro, because that's such a far flight, dude. My friend was asking me if I want to go to Cancun to like a resort there. Snoop's making fun of Thomas for going to Thailand. I would go to Thailand. Thailand's cool. I want to go to Thailand, Japan. China would be cool too. They have some really cool cities in China. South Korea would be cool just to visit. Like I wouldn't live in South Korea. I would buy a house in Japan, but I wouldn't buy a house in Korea. But what are these? Oh, but me and my friend are trying to come up with a trip for winter. All right, my camera died. Give me a second. Me and my friend are trying to plan a trip for winter because winter would be the perfect time to go to like an island. So we're looking at like maybe the Caribbean or something to go with like our girlfriends to like a trip with me, him, and our girlfriends. Argentina, bro. No, I don't want to go to South America. I will go to Mexico because it's like right on the beach. Is Argentina on the beach, bro? Argentina resorts. Nah, bro, not really. A lot of it is on the beach though. I see, bro, but a lot of these resorts are not on the beach though. Forgot Argentina's like on the whole like coast of South America. But I want to go to like one of the floating breakfast things in Bali. That would be so cool. But that's like 20 or 30 hour flight, dude. 36 hour flight, 35 hour flight, dude. That's insane, bro. I'm not doing that. 35 hour flight. I'll do that once I have the money to fly private. It'll make the flight a lot shorter. Once I have the money to fly private, I'll go to somewhere that's that far because the flight would be a lot shorter. Come on. Holiday to Mars, bro. Yeah, facts. Imagine, bro. I was looking at it, bro. A flight to like Bora Bora is like uh 24 hours. And if you take it private, it's like 10. Flying private makes it so much shorter. Because you're not like doing like 5 different stops at different airports. Where does it be by 3 trillion would sponsor a trip to Mars? Bruh. You know how much money that is, dude? I don't even think there's that many Tesla stocks or Tesla shares. The holiday would be like at least a year long. Yeah. 7 months to get to Mars. Oh, that's the emote you're sending, bro? Sorry, just checked the thing. US 30 chart today. Bro, what is up with the US 30 chart, bro? I was just checking the Discord. AMD into Southside, 1 hour gap. Yeah, bro. Dude, what is wrong with this, bro? Bro, you're 1 point away, dude. From less than a point, bro. Do I trade options at all? I used to. I don't have an options account anymore. I was doing some. Ezra. Okay, okay, okay. All right. Now give us something to the dead eye, dude. Like Snorlax said, finally. Guys, everybody in here, could we go ahead and like the stream and get it to 10 likes? We're at 8 right now. We're 2 away. Just to help the stream out. We're 2 away. And we got 17 people in here, so we should be able to do that. All right. Thank you, guys. We just hit 10. Easy. So we got a 30-second gap here. We have a 30-second here. We haven't tapped into the unfilled gap down here, but the hourly, 4 hour. Okay, I like that we're delivering out of this. Because really, I feel like the best situation would be tapping this new fair value gap here. Because this one's like unmitigated. 30-second. We do have the 30-second. We have equal lows to the left. Let me see. Yeah, they're all right above this gap here. Please tap this gap. So I have delivery off the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 15-minute here. If we hit this. All right, nice. Now, hopefully we see some like good delivery off of this. Well, we got a nice 30-second. Okay, can I adjust it? Okay, do it on micros. It's really annoying when your trading view doesn't want to work. I don't know what is up with trading view recently. Because imagine we would have gotten that inverse and it wasn't letting me adjust anything. Just based on like the, I mean, 50 would probably be a better stop though, to be honest. Because break even would be here. We have a nice 2-minute there. It's a little 3-minute. No 4-minute. No 5-minute. 2-minute looks better though. So this one would have to definitely be on here. Bro. Definitely mess with this. If a good close like this, but really I feel like we would have to do like 90, to be honest. Maybe what, 11? 11 cons. 2.5 hour. Break even be here. We have the 3-minute here as well. Two-minute, yeah. We have equal lows to the left. We already took those. I already saw that earlier. We'll see about this 2 minute here. Sorry, I made my stop a little bit bigger, but I took it. Partial will be holy crap, look at that wick, dude. What the hell, dude? Is that the reaction off the 4 minute, dude? Bro, watch this just be a loss, dude. What was that candle, bro, out of nowhere, dude? But what was that candle, dude, out of nowhere, bro? And now we're back to no volume. Ooh, come on, bro. And that's a stop out, dude. Damn, dude. What the hell, bro? Even with the data highs, bro, what is going on today, dude? The 4 minute didn't close. So maybe waiting for that would have been better, but the 2 minute was very obvious, I feel like. All right, I'm gonna go and send that to the Discord. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and send this to the Discord. Where is it? All right. Damn, dude. I don't understand what happened with that 2 minute though, dude. Probably the 4 minute, bro. I guess I shouldn't have taken it because of the 4 minute. We have no. I don't think we're gonna get it. Okay, so we did get a 30-second here, which is a good possible trade. I don't really know too much just because of the way the PA was earlier though, with those candles out of nowhere. Seems like not enough liquidity was taken for the move to occur. Now I would just say the 4 minute, dude. I should wait for the 4 minute. It wasn't a big loss though. Today was like a small loss. It was like probably about half size of a loss because of the close. I was really hoping with the data highs, bro, but I don't know what that candle was, bro, out of nowhere. Yeah, my sizing was really good for that one. The reason why that was a small loss was because my stop loss was all the way down here, and my stop loss was on a close, and because it closed here, it the stop was like very small. Literally after the entry price dropped, yeah, it just dumped out of nowhere right as we entered. But yeah. You don't really want to end this week red. Shit, yeah, me neither, but I don't want to force any other trades. Yesterday was really good though. So we have a 30-second here. Break even. It would pretty much already be a break even now. Should you take longs, bro? Bro? You only take longs in your strat. We're at all-time highs, so this one would have already been break even, right? Right here, but yeah. But yeah, that sucks, bro. I mean, that eyes. I guess the 4 minute, dude. I should have watched for the 4 minute. I wasn't paying attention, but it's annoying. But it's whatever. It was a small loss. We're chilling. Sucks though. I was like, this 3 minute should be my break even. Oh, so you went break even at the 3 minute, or oh, it already hit the 3 minute. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks. But yeah. Just gotta do better next week. Can't wait to jump on futures. You weren't on futures? Are you demoing? I might go ahead and get off after the loss, just to like prevent over trading. But I'll 100% be on next week on Monday. And we're gonna do good next week. We did good yesterday. One second, my friend just sent me something. All right. Someone just commenting. All right. I was just checking some of the comments on my YouTube. Um, but yeah, I might go ahead and get off here. I think this was just like a mid trade, to be honest. 4 minute MPA was bad all morning, but because I was hoping for that dead eye. But we're gonna lock in, bro. We're gonna lock in next week. Demoing on a small challenge account on Forex. I don't really trade Forex, but last week lost 2%. This week also lost 2%. I don't know how you lost 2% this week, dude. This week was good. I know I took a couple losses the other day, but we made it back yesterday. I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Struggling mentally, honestly. She really wasn't good for me either. All right, Snorlax, we're just gonna be on here. We'll be on here, and I'll help you out next week, bro. Today was just this was just a bad trade, to be honest. Took 2 L's too. Yeah, I'm down a little bit this week. This is my I had my first red week, or it was pretty much break even last week, and then this week was red. So this is gonna be my first like real red week in a while because we did a couple trades last week. But this is gonna be my first red week in a while, but not a lot, bro. Not by a lot. We're gonna go ahead and get off though. Um, but we're gonna lock in. We're locking in, bro. I'm gonna lock in with you guys. We're gonna be on here next week, bro. Should I over risk or just squeeze a high RR? It's up to you, bro. Um, why do you only have till the 23rd though? I don't know why you would just have that. Risk more on A plus plus setups. Yeah, you could do that. Any advice on was what was done wrong today? This 4 minute gap. I got you. This 4 minute gap was here. It was in the way, and I was kind of just looking for the data high, so I kind of ignored it. This 4 minute gap delivered. And I was kind of ignoring it because of the data highs. This gap might be a reason, yeah. And top step combines are 30 days, so I have 5 days. Did you not pay for the monthly? Like it continues as long as you pay the monthly. Don't you always take the most obvious gap? Yeah, but the 4 minute was pretty obvious too. That's why I'm not referencing the 3 minute that I held. I'm referencing the 4 minute that I held. SPA was tricky today, so well. Barely been taking trades, Ezra. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, guys. Today was a pretty midday, not good price action. Kind of got blinded by the dead eye. But yeah, Snoop, JDD. Any advice for what could have been avoided? Yeah. I didn't know the 4 minute was above the 2 minute. I knew we had a 4 minute, but I didn't know it was above it. So you can see our entry here was still inside of the 4 minute and the 3 minute. So it's not even like it was above it. So like this 4 minute, if we closed above it, it would have been closing above the 3 minute as well. So but yeah. But I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Pretty mid day today with the PA and everything. Obviously the loss. It was a bad loss because it's 4 minute, but we gotta learn from it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'm gonna do some TikTok streams. I'll do one today, a little bit later, and then I'll do some every day over the weekend. I'll maybe do some back testing on the TikTok lives if you guys are gonna be there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. And yeah, or should you wait for every leg? All right, I'm pretty sure I answered all these. But yeah, what's up, Snorlax? You said yo. See you on Discord. All right, see you on Discord, bro. When is your stream in TikTok? Probably just like 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. Oh, your week goes by. All right, bro. All right, bro. I'll see you guys later. Pretty midstream today, but we're gonna do better next week. I got you guys. Don't worry.